Hey, what's up everyone? Dr. Asher, physical therapist here. Today we're going to be talking about, do you need physical therapy after a knee replacement surgery? The short answer to that question, as a licensed physical therapist with a doctorate level degree and has treated hundreds of patients that have had knee replacements with very successful outcomes, I will confidently say yes, you absolutely do need physical therapy after a knee replacement. However, the duration, the intensity, how often, how long, all of that is going to vary based on your specific goals for why you had the surgery. So if you're someone that is a little bit less active, maybe you work from home, most of your daily activity comes from maybe you walk your dogs twice a day, maybe you do some yard work, some work around the home, but overall you're not someone that regularly is going to the gym or doing hiking or yoga or any more strenuous activities like that. So your overall rehab course is probably going to be much shorter compared to someone on the other end of the spectrum where maybe there's someone that's very active and they're going hiking 2-3 days a week, or they enjoy taking their dogs 3 to 5 miles a day because they have a more active pup, or there's someone that is just a gym rat and they just like going to the gym 3 to 5 days a week, whatever it is. That person is going to inherently require just a longer period of physical therapy. And one is not necessarily better than the other. It's just you're both starting at the same point, but to get to the first endpoint for that less active person, they're only going to need anywhere from 6 to 8 weeks, maybe 10 weeks at the most. But that other person that we described, that second person that's a lot more active, they're going to require anywhere from 12 to 16 weeks of that really skilled physical therapy, because there's just a lot of things that go into a knee replacement surgery and the rehab process for afterwards. So I hope that answers your guys' question on if you need physical therapy after a knee replacement. The answer is yes, absolutely. If you're looking for a video on the best exercises to do before your knee replacement surgery, check out this video. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay moving, stay healthy.